So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use PowerShell in your VS Code. So guys, if you want to use the PowerShell in the VS Code, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, I'm I'm telling you what is PowerShell. So guys, basically PowerShell is a cross-platform task automation solution consistently for command lines, a script language also, and configure and management your framework developed by the Microsoft. It is widely used by the IT administrator, developer, and web ops professional to manage the operating system and automate the repetitive task and deploy the application. Okay, so basically it is a interactive command line that you can text interface where you can type the command to execute the task. A fully developed programming language you use to write the script for the complex automations. Okay, so basically it is in your terminal. So when you click here and click the option of terminal, it shows here. So this is your PowerShell. Now here you when I hover it, so it shows about the PowerShell and this is the command line. And here are also multi things like dish command prompt, git bash, and here you can, if you find the PowerShell here, so you use this drop down menu to select the PowerShell. So guys, this is about the PowerShell and how to use it. So guys, thank you.